Here's how to change the battery on a Swiss Ronda watch movement. This is one of the cheapest Swiss watch movements you can buy, but it keeps good time, and changing the battery is super easy. This is a Recon Mil-Sub watch, and it's got the twisty back on it, so you just have to get the removal tool to loosen it, like that, and then spin it the rest of the way off with your hands. And set the back aside, and if there is a rubber gasket, just make sure you keep track of it and make sure you put it back in place before you replace the back onto the watch. And this watch has a plastic insert in it that kind of holds it in place, so I just need to pop that out. Yours may or may not have this, depending on how big or little your watch is on the inside, and there you go, you can see the battery. And the Ronda watch movement uses a 371 or SR920SW battery. And it's a real simple design. You just grab this little lever and pull it, and that holds the battery in place, and so it pops out once you've released that lever. Then you dump it out, and you grab your replacement battery with the words facing you and just snap it into place like that, and you're all set. You want to flip it over, though, and make sure that the second hand is actually turning. And then on this watch, I just want to snap the plastic piece back in place so that it doesn't jiggle around while I'm running around with my watch on. Get it centered over the battery and just snap it back down, making sure that the watch winder pin is going straight through the groove in the middle, and also making sure that the rubber gasket's in place before I screw the back onto it. And then go ahead and gently put the back on and kind of turn it by hand until you feel it start to screw down, and then spin it down until you feel it bottom on the gasket, and then finish it off with your watch tool. Just give it a little extra crank to make sure that it remains waterproof. And synchronize it with the current time, and put the watch band back on it, put it back on your wrist, and then you are ready for another, 3 or 4 years of happy battery life with your Ronda Swiss watch movement.